Hey everyone, Natalie here. So at this point you should have registered for your Praxis Prep Kaplan online resources guide. If you're not quite sure what to do, all you have to do is open the first page, really the cover of your book, and you should look at that little kind of half-page handout, and there's a link at the bottom that says register your book now. So you're going to put in that or type in that web address captest.com/praxisbookresources. It's going to have you go through the kind of the steps to register. Follow those steps, you'll get a link to your email, and then it'll ask you to log in, and this is what you're going to log into. So it looks like this here. There's some information on getting started if you kind of want to familiarize yourself with this particular platform, but the three areas of focus that we are going to be looking at are our core reading, core math, and core writing. These three tests are the accumulation of Praxis number 1. So if you click on core reading, for example, we see the core reading practice exam 1. If you click on that, you can simply just click start and you will start the Praxis core exam. After you're finished with that, it will give you back your results, and then a core reading Praxis exam 2 will pop up. So we want you to go through each one of these core exams. Again, the core reading, the core math, and the core writing. And just a heads up on the core writing, it's an hour and 40 minutes because you get 40 minutes of those multiple choice writing questions and then an hour that's split up into 2 sections, so 30 minutes per your essays. So please take some time to do that this weekend before we jump into our week number 3 of our online curriculum. And please let me know if you have any questions in accessing any of the information on this site. Thanks.